AC parts might seem confusing, but knowing what each one does can save you a ton of hassle and cash. So, let's talk about wire sleeves inside the fan area. These little guys are super important because they stop the fan blades from slicing through the wires. Without those sleeves, the spinning blades could easily cut the wires, causing shorts or even bigger electrical problems. Wire sleeves act like a shield, keeping the wires safe and organized while the fan is running. When you're checking your AC unit, look for any worn or damaged sleeves because if they're cracked or missing, you're risking a mess of electrical issues. Installing new wire sleeves is pretty straightforward. You just slide them over the wires where they pass near the fan blade. Also, make sure wires aren't hanging loose or too close to moving parts, which can cause wear and tear over time. Keeping those wire sleeves in good shape helps your AC run smooth and prevents sudden breakdowns that could leave you sweating. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC wiring is ignoring damaged wire sleeves, which leads to frayed wires and potential shorts. Fix this by inspecting sleeves regularly and replacing any that look worn out. Another common issue is poor wire routing where cables are left dangling near the fan blades. Securing wires properly with clips or ties keeps them out of harm's way. Lastly, using cheap or wrong-sized sleeves can cause them to slip off or fail to protect wires fully, so always pick sleeves that fit snugly and are made for AC systems. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their way around AC repair and installation. If you're a contractor, it's a great spot to connect with clients looking for reliable help on their home projects.